mean 206 Witten Road, Sky Blue connection. I'm here just going to put a screen protector on a 13 Pro Max. Customer wants a privacy one, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now. If you want to come in, just put a bit of solution on. It's going to clean the surface up. Let's take a look. Wait for it. This is so there's less bubbles on there and less dust. Take your time. Once you're happy with it, once you've cleaned it up nicely, then that's your screen protector. Line it up. Just one more wipe before you're about to apply it, just in case. And then line up the corners. Once you're happy with it, take your time. Take your time. Don't rush. The rest should just fall in to place. Once you're happy, look at it, wipe it down. If you're not happy with it, you can always just give it one lift and then push it out, the bubbles. Privacy 13 Pro Max screen protector. If you like the video, give me a share, give me a follow. Come to my phone shop, 206 Witten Road, Sky Blue connection. Thank you.